Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
After these explanation and equation definitions of the matrices, now we have reached to exercise 1.1, which is the first exercise of this chapter. Question number 1 statement is that find the order of the following matrices. Here A is given as 2, 3, -5, 6. So as we have learnt that the order of the matrix is equal to m by n, where m means number of rows and n means number of columns. So the order of matrix A is 2 by 2. We take another matrix denoted by K. Its entries are 1, 2, 0, 3, 5, 2, -4, -7 and 6. Here the number of rows is 3, R2, R3. And in this matrix the number of columns is also 3, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. So the order of this matrix K is 3 by 3. This is also a square matrix, and in this way we can find out all the orders of given matrices in the question number 1. Now question number 2. Which of the following matrices are equal? By seeing and comparing these matrices, we can find out the equal matrices. And you can solve this easily by yourself. Now the question number 3, we can solve it by the given method on the next page. In question number 3, find the values of A. Question number 3, we have to find the value of A, value of B, value of C and value of D. These are unknowns. We have to find out the values of these unknowns. When was first matrix whose elements are A plus C, A plus 2B, first row is completed, and second row C -1, 4D -6 is equal to the other matrix whose entries are 0, -7, 3, 2D. We are seeing, dear students, these both matrices are equal to each other. That is the given condition by the question. So according to the definition of the equal matrices, or according to the equality of two matrices, corresponding entries will be equal to the corresponding entry of the other matrix. Hence in this way, first entry A plus C will be equal to 0. We name it equation number 1. And the second entry of the first row A plus 2B will be equal to the second entry of the second matrix -7. We name it equation number 2. And in this way, in the second row, the first entry is C -1. That will be equal to the first entry in the matrices second matrix, which is equal to 3, and we name it equation number 3. Now according to the definition of the equal matrices, the last entry 4D -6 will be equal to its corresponding last entry, which is equal to 2D. We name it equation number 4 for our convenient.